Welcome student, this is your history class, class 7, chapter 2. Today we will discuss question answer of this chapter. Match the following. Answer. Gurjara Pratiharas, Gujarat and Rajasthan. Rashtrakutas, Western Deccan. Palas, Bengal. Cholas, Tamil Nadu. Question number 2. Who were the parties involved in tripartite struggle? Answer. 3 parties were involved in the tripartite struggle. These were Gurjara Pratihara, Rashtrakuta and Pala dynasty. What were the qualifications necessary to become a member of a committee of the Sabha in the Chola Empire? Answer. The following qualifications were necessary to become a member of the committee of the Sabha in the Chola Empire are: 1 should be the owner of the land from which land revenue is collected, 1 should have his own home, 1 should be aged between 35 years to 70 years of age, 1 should have knowledge of the Vedas, 1 should be honest and well versed in administrative matters, 1 should not have been a member of any committee in last 3 years, 1 should submit his accounts and also of his relative to contest the elections. Question number 4. What were the 2 major cities under the control of Chahamanas? Answer. Delhi and Ajmer were the 2 major cities that were under the control of the Chahamanas. Question number 5. How did Rashtrakutas become powerful? Answer. Initially, Rashtrakuta were subordinate to the Chalukya of Karnataka. However, in the mid-8th century, Rashtrakuta chief Danti Durga defeated his Chalukya overlord and performed the Hiranyagarbha ritual, establishing his right to rule. When his ritual was performed with the help of Brahmanas, it was thought to lead to the rebirth of the sacrificer as the Kshatriya, even he was not one by birth. Thus, the Rashtrakuta became powerful in India through a mixture of military powers and ritualistic action. Question number 6. What did the new dynasty do to gain acceptance? Answer. In order to gain acceptance, the new dynasty made a flowing effort. They took on new titles and performed religious rituals to become a part of Kshatriyas. They were regarded as the subordinate or Samantas by their overlord, but when they gained power and wealth, they declared themselves to be Mahasamantas. They asserted their independence from their overlords. They engaged themselves in warfare to assert their power and carve out an independent kingdom. Question number 7. What kind of irrigation work were developed in the Tamil region? Answer. The irrigation work that were developed in Tamil region were as follows. In many areas, wells were dug and tanks were built for storage of rainwater. Embankments were built in the deltas region to prevent flooding. Canals were built to carry water to the field. Sluice gates were built that regulate the outflow of water from a tank into the channels that irrigated the fields. Question number 8. What were the activities associated with Chola temples? Answer. Various activities associated with Chola temples were Chola temples often became the nuclei of settlement that grew around them. Chola temples were a center of craft and production. They were also endowed with land by rulers as well as by others. The produce of their land was used for the maintenance of all the specialists who worked at the temple, like priest, garland maker, cook, sweeper, musician, dancer, etc. Thus, the Chola temple were not only places of worship but also the hub of economic, social, and cultural life. This is the end of this video. We will continue the next chapter in next video. Your today's homework is to Write down the all question answer in your history copy and learn all the question answer. If you have any doubt, please let us know. We will try to clear your doubts in another video. अगर आपको कोई संदेह है तो कृपया करके हमें बताइए। हम अगले वीडियो में आपके संदेह को दूर करने का प्रयास करेंगे।